PacFan884 Productions, celebrating 10 years of epicness, presents Funny Signs, Get a Boat. In our last episode of Funny Signs, the gang was shanghaied into a bad hotel room, and Microsoft Sam was not amused at that. He and Mike had an argument, and then the moment came when PacFan884 called Officer Jenny to send him to solitary confinement. Meanwhile, at the final sign, PacFan884 finally got a new ROFLCopter that is indestructible. And now, the continuation. Zombies cannot swim. Get a boat. Well, duh.
If zombies cannot swim, then what do?
Let's not go there, Mary.
Sheesh.
Shush the sheesh.
Customer parking only. All others will be towed. Well, what about frog? Ha 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 ha.
Paddling Poo rules. This poo is open daily from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. This poo is unsupervised. What the he? Great, now there's no ills in this video.
Are you sure? I'm talking correctly.
Just forget about the ills now.
Who could have done this? Next sign.
No throws the thing. Well, if that's possible, then yes, 6 is the thing. Slow children.
The oldest joke in the book.
Swagger Wagon. Is that anything like free candy?
No candy here, folks. Ha 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 lol 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 swa 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 ruffle.
Warning, this case is protected by electronic camera and alarm system. Darn it, now I've got the paddling poo disease.
Oh no. We've better find some signs without L's in them. Someone else might get the paddling poo disease, and I hear evil laughs.
No fire in the hot. Oh come on.
That's it. I'm getting sick and tired of this. I want to know who's behind this. Come with us and you'll see who's behind this.
Who is that?
My name is not important right now. Now come with us. Now!
Well, at least this isn't Satan's kingdom.
Silence! This is our secret lair where you'll be held captive until you tell us where Sam is, and rescind the ban against the Infernal Four.
The Infernal Four?
She means the devil, she-devil, Baxton, and she-Baxton, you idiot!
If you must know, Sam is in the solitary confinement ward at the BFF City Police Station.
You idiot, Mila.
Ha ha ha! Thanks. We'll have Sam before you know it.
Take it easy, PacFan. Relax. Stay cool. Uh-oh. Tantrum is coming on! No, don't, crud, see what you have done, Mila, we could get more intrusion from the Infernal for you, dummy.
Well, fine. If you don't want me in your videos anymore, then I quit.
No, don't quit.
It's too late, Jacob. Goodbye forever, PacFan884 Productions.
Shortly after Mila quit, Eeveeas and PacFan885 kidnapped Microsoft Sam and took him to their lair. Let's see what's going on.
Who? What? Where am I?
Don't be a dummy. You're in our secret lair.
And we just want to ask you some questions.
Were you with Microsoft Mike on the day of November 23rd, 2014?
Yes. In fact, that's the exact date that PacFan884 published Funny Signs, Sleep Stop Slow Down.
We're not talking about videos.
So, you're the ones menacing Microsoft Sam. Bring him back, or else.
Or else what?
Just or else. You can't or else us.
One false move and PacFan885 kills one of your friends.
Then you'll be accused of plagiarism.
Someone else already got killed in Dave Manson's universe, and we don't want more.
Plagiarism schmagiarism. Unless you rescind the ban against the Infernal Four, one of your friends will be killed, and we keep Microsoft Sam hostage. Alright, fine. There. Ban rescinded.
No! Don't do that!
Haha, once a dummy, always a dummy.
Don't call me that.
We'll call you what we want, Mr. Spiral.
And guess who we got with us?
Nope. Don't want to hear it.
Not you, you idiot. Help.
Mila!
She'll be in our hands soon enough.
You'd think that, but I've got poop and I'm not afraid to use it.
Just try it.
Go ahead. Bled.
Look at her.
She tried to poop all over us, but it boomeranged and hit her instead.
You leave Mila alone, you infernal imps.
I second that.
You infernal imps have your nerve.
So,
She tried to leave PacFan884 Productions, but we seized her and tormented her.
that does it. The ultimate outrage. Come with me. Now. Oh no, not constantly again.
You're gonna get it, Mom.
You are not relieving yourselves in my presence. Take that. After the devil and she-devil ran back to their realm, God then ran the Baxen and she-Baxen back, where the others were running. Then, Angela the angel cleaned up Mila and gave back Sam. And finally, PacFan884 enforced the permanent ban, with guidance by God and Angela the angel. And the sign reading continues.
Win a Jaguar, cash, and Costa Rica. No thanks. I'd rather have Mexico. Raffle.
Flobbing your laugh lines again, Sam.
Oh, measles.
Every time you make a typo, the errors swim. Another devious deed from the Tea Party. Ha 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 ha.
Brick wall.
Get psychiatric help by staring at this wall. Looking for a positive young experience?
Yes, chewing. Ha 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 ha, lol, swa, raffle.
Juicy, sweet and sour taste, sweet, good taste alone, at home and abroad, said G. Said the what?
The Wiggles?
Reality check, the Wiggles do not speak English. Dareful steep slop. I'd better watch my step over here. There's dog poop everywhere.
Dog poop. Sick. Gross. Ew.
Oh, Ebola. So close to getting this video done without having someone barf at a sign.
Sorry for being sick, PacFan884.
Batman returns his books to the library.
What about Superman, Spider-Man and all of those other guys?
Attention, toilet only for disabled elderly pregnant children.
Disabled elderly pregnant children. Stop razzing me.
We didn't razz you, Sam. How many times must we say it? Anyways, that is our always ill-timed times up buzzer.
But where can we find a new ROFLCopter at this point?
Right here, Sam. It's indestructible, so it can survive anything.
All aboard. We're taking off.
Funny Signs has been brought to you by Wise Guys Haircuts. If we can't make you look good, you ugly.